Hello, 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 lovers. Coming from you from Studio B. Oh, I know it's been a hot minute. It's been a while. But listen, I'm here because I'm doing a little promotion. I've been given an assignment, y'all. I have been sent some of the most beautiful artwork. Yes, I am being used to promote some lady, some hippie chick from South Florida, some artwork that she's doing down there, and she really does phenomenal work. So she was nice enough to send me some, and I'm nice enough to come out and just give her some shout outs. Hopefully run some traffic by for her. Her name is Joanne Jarvis. She, like I said, she does her magic in South Florida, and this is what she's offering. She does resin art. Now here's the thing. I don't know if any of you all are familiar with resin pour and all that good stuff. Let's get a closer look. I can only hope the camera and lighting can pick this up okay without too much reflection from the monitors and all that good stuff. But it is so gorgeous. Look at it. I'll show it again. But here's the thing. I have seen a lot of resin artists, and it seems to me it's potluck. A lot of people, they get the resin and they just start pouring, like Jackson Pollock, right? Jackson Pollock wannabes, they just start pouring and dumping and pouring and shaking and moving, and whatever happens, happens. This is not the case with this particular artist. I've seen a lot of her work from her. She's got a YouTube channel down there. She's got she's on all her social media accounts. She's got her Facebook. That's probably her biggest platform she works from is Facebook. She's got her Instagram going. We really need to get her YouTube channel up and running and really get her some more support on YouTube, although it is growing, and that's always a good thing. But anyway, she's actually got a plan with her resin. You can see it. You can see, she's got a couple tutorials, and you can see she's got a vision in her head. So when it comes to resin, now there is no exact outcome. Let's be fair. It is a pour, but when you choose your colors, when you choose your levels, when you choose the amount of pigment that you're going to be using, the amount of pour, the amount of it's a science, y'all. It's a whole science. And depending on where you're putting it on the palette and where you're distributing and all that, she really has a solid foundation on the final outcome. So I think that's what sets her apart from a lot of people who are doing resin pours and all that good stuff. So please do check her out. This is going to be hanging. I told her, listen, I've got the perfect spot for this is going to be right next to my makeup table. I've got the perfect wall space for it, and how appropriate is it? It's got all this color and inspiration. I'm all about movement. I love movement. I love color. I love texture. Speaking of texture, this is actually so incredibly smooth, void of any texture, which when it comes to a resin pour is exactly what you want. You want absolute smoothness when it comes to your pour. You don't want bubbles. You don't want lumps and bumps and all that stuff. So this is a case where you really don't want texture. So the girl knows what she's doing. I'm going to leave all her links below. If you all will please just go do a little drive-by, do a couple wish wells, say hey, how you doing. All her social media contacts are going to be below in the comment section. I'm going to leave a couple things. I'm going to leave a couple things in the description, all her links, whatever. Also, while we're at it, listen, people. I'm going to peddle my own jewelry too. As you can see, I'm wearing my own jewelry today. All right, Twist by Design by none other than Mallery Williams. So I'm also going to have that link in there. My site is officially open. It is mid-September, as I promised. I've got about 50 items in there ready to go. Some of it is on sale. And listen, I'm going to be adding more every week. So I'm pretty proud of what I got so far for my fall collection. So let's get in there, support a gal, support an old gal trying to make ends meet with her crafts and her handmade goods and all that stuff. Listen, these earrings are no joke. I'm telling you right now, these earrings are no joke. If you want to check these out, look. I love these. I love them, I love them, I love them. There's one of my cuffs. All the world is waiting for you. I love my eye cuffs. And of course, I've got the matching bangle for my earrings. You've got to love that. So, go check it out. Alright? Don't resist me. Don't resist. Don't resist. Oh, we're gonna get her an Etsy shop too. We're gonna do that. Let's encourage her to get her Etsy shop. All right, Miss Jarvis from South Florida, hippie chick. Let's get her an Etsy shop up and running. So, Joanne Jarvis. Then we got Mallery Williams, aka Twist by Design. All right. Help a couple old gals out. All right. We're a couple old talented bitches. That's what we are. All right. We're a couple old talented bitches. Help us out, girl. Help us out. Move us on up. Move us on up to the top. Yes. How's that sound? How's that sound? How about that? How about that? Till next time. Love, hugs, kisses. Bye-bye.